This is by far one of the best videos I have ever made on my YouTube channel. Sadiq's Rabbitry. My name is Sadiq, a young and passionate rabbit farmer here in Ghana. Today's video is an epic one, right? Different, right? So today I'm going to be slaughtering some of my rabbits, and I will take you guys through the process of how I dress up my rabbits, right? I know you are going to learn a lot from it, so stay tuned. If you are new to the channel, do also hit the subscribe button, smash the like button if you really enjoyed this video, and do well to make sure you give me your opinion in the comment section on how you do yours. You see me with this how today, you should know that it's going to go down really tough, right? Especially if I just turn it like this. You should know that this thing is going down, because I've been waiting for this video for a very long time. Trust me, I've been waiting for this opportunity for a very long time, and today I have the opportunity, so I don't have to miss it. I do have to share it with you guys. Now before I do that, I want you guys to know that there are some important factors you need to look out for before slaughtering your animals, right? I don't want to make this video a very long one for you guys. I would just want to go right into the process so that you guys can get to understand it better. One of the important factors is the age of the rabbit. Now obviously you wouldn't want to slaughter a rabbit that's about a month old or 2 months old, right? Depending on the breed you have, right? So if you have, let's say, these larger breeds, you can be slaughtering your rabbits once they get to 3 or 4 months of age, right? So age is very important as far as rabbit carcass is concerned, right? Because if they are not in a good age, you won't be able to get good meat from them, right? The second factor is the weight of the rabbit, right? Because per the market of rabbits, we would say that everyone or every consumer would want to have a rabbit meat weighing up to 1.5 kg or 2 kg, right? So having a rabbit less than a kg, you wouldn't want to, slaughter that rabbit, right? But if, let's say, there are these larger breeds like the Flemish giant, the checkered giant, then you can go ahead to slaughter them, because with them they do come in larger sizes even if they get to 4 or 5 months of age. The third factor is the well-being of the rabbit, right? Now, most of the times we would say that if an animal is sick, we do know that, okay, the sickness will be in the intestine or just one part of the body, so you can just slaughter it and then eat. Yeah, that's right, but not on a commercial market. If you want to do that at your home, then that's fine, but on a commercial market, it is not allowed, because sometimes the consumer can go and then buy your animal, eat something that they are not supposed to eat, and then it can bring up a problem for your farm. Now let's get to the practical aspect. You all will agree with me that whatever you do when you have winners on your farm, most of the times you will sell the females and leave the males, right? Whatever you do, you are going to have that possibility on your farm, right? Now I'm not capping, this is true because I have experienced it many times. So the males do mostly go out for meat purposes, right, than breeding, right? If farmers want your male animals for breeding, then it might be maybe the male rabbit they have on their farm is giving them problems, or they do want to change their breeding stock, right? Even with that, they wouldn't want to buy it at a younger age. They would want a male rabbit from 6 months to 7 months old and above, right? So you all agree with me that mostly the males are the ones who are left behind. So yes, why not? Why can't you just enjoy some of these meals in your meal, right? In terms of slaughtering them and then enjoying it with friends and family, right? And that's what I want to do now, because Charlie, these rabbit meats, they big, okay? They big. So you have to try it yourself. If you haven't, done that before, you have to try it. Now, if you want to get some of these rabbits from me, either for meat or for breeding, you can just contact my number on the screen, then I will get you. If you want to buy it, then I will slaughter it for you. I can surely do that for you. So hit me up on my WhatsApp number, and then we can talk. Now, I know some of you won't want to be seeing blood, so I will definitely slaughter it and then bring out the practical aspect and then share it with you guys. All right, okay, let's go. Now, I reserved this one for you guys, right? I'm going to show you how I am able to turn this rabbit very, very quickly. And before that, we are going to play a game, right? So I want you guys to set your timer on and tell me in the comment section how many minutes I used to turn this rabbit, right? That's your assignment. That's what I want you to do. And then I want you to comment down below how many minutes I used. If it was 50 seconds or 1 minute or 1 minute 50 seconds, just let me know in the comment section. So in turning rabbit, right, there are two methods actually. We have the skinning and then smoking. That's the methods. We have skinning and smoking. With the skinning, you have two ways, right? Either by you doing it dry like this, or getting some water and pour it on the skin, right? You doing it dry like this will be okay, because with the first rabbit I just did it raw like this and it worked, right? With the second way, you pour water on it. The reason why you do this is that you want to soften out the skin so that when you are turning, the skin will not be attached to the meat, right? Which will not be a problem even if you do it raw, because when you finish you can get to use water to clean it up, right? So yeah, let me now take you through how I do this. Enough of the talking, I've shown you the methods, so set your timer on and let's start. Oh boy, this was an epic one, right? You can see just slaughtering 2 rabbits in just, let's say, 6 minutes was amazing, right? It was really amazing. I hope you guys have been able to learn 1 or 2 things from this, and bear in mind that everyone with the way or with the style he uses to slaughter his or her rabbit, right? Because of YouTube reasons, I wouldn't want to share that aspect, right? And also bear in mind that with the skin of the rabbit and the head, we can use it to make money as well, right? With the head of the rabbit, some countries use it for dog biscuits, right? They do know how they process it and make it as treats for dogs. And also with the skin, you can use it for leather works, right? And the way they process the skin too, in order for them to get it in a leather form before using it. So I hope you guys have learned something from this, and I'll go on to just take off this organs from the body before enjoying the meat with friends, right? So I hope you learned something from this video. Make sure you do what to subscribe if you haven't. If you are new to the channel, do what to share it with your friends so that they can learn how to do it as well. Until next time, ciao.